Ciao!
We are going to Germany! Nasa Switzerland na tayo. Ang ganda! We will see a lot of that. Mga mountains na punong-puno ng greens. Clouds as if you're able to touch them already. Some of my dearest friends are already living in Europe. An important friend of mine, like a sister to me, has been living in Europe, in Germany, for almost all her life. So, we will visit her. It's so beautiful. Ay, tamo, may falls! Ang sarap ng totoong spring water. Ang bango ng hangin. Napakaganda ng earth. Amazing earth. Diba? Ang sarap magpagulong-gulong. Parang nakikita ko si Heidi na gumugulong-gulong. Heidi, Heidi. Yan kasi yung pinapanood kong cartoons ng bata ko. Heidi. Tsaka dinab ko rin yun sa ABS. Ako yung lola ni Heidi. Ay, winter dito. May snow. Snow! From one mountain to another mountain. Zurich. We came from down and then we go up the bundok. And then we should be going down again. Ayan. Hindi na ganun ka-foggy. Pero ayun yung snow. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda, no? Wee break and kape break and maybe grab some bite because it's almost lunchtime. May feeling ako na ang ganda ng balat ko dito, ng skin ko. Basta, feeling ko ang ganda ko dito. But I think I'm pretty here.
You're pretty everywhere.
Look at the view. Mamaya labas tayo, kakain lang muna kami. And the salad is really sarap. Hi, so fresh. That's the Alps na ba? And apparently, these are dandelions, the yellow small flowers in the middle of the meadows. Simply beautiful. Napakaganda. Papunta na sa totoo ba to? Welcome to Austria. So, lumampas na tayo ng Switzerland. And now we are passing Austria. Beautiful weather. So, people are out. Camping, biking, horseback riding, walking. Look at the horses and the cows. And where are we now?
In Germany!
Yay! We're in Germany! Welcome to Germany. Can you read it? There! We're going there. We made it! Welcome to Stuttgart! Guten Morgen! So I don't get the breakfast in the hotel because I want to explore the place by finding a nice breakfast place. Wala masyadong tao kasi holiday today and also Sunday. Still in search of the coffee place. Kape, kape, kape. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's open. It's open. Mustache, yes. Thank you. Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Yes, there's cappuccino. Today, I learned there is a semi-finals happening at the Porsche Arena of the WTA. It's a tennis match, the ladies tennis match. So maybe we can go there and try. Baka makakuha kami ng ticket sa semis, di ba? Di naman tayo araw-araw nandito sa Stuttgart. So let's begin the adventure. Are we or are we not gonna make it? As Danilo has observed, and I see it too, this is like all German. So if you come here, get ready with your Google Translate. Mahilig ako mag-aral ng language pero hindi ko masyadong aambisyonin mag-aral ng German. Saktuhan lang.
Liebe Fahrgäste, bitte achten Sie auf
Yung mga rides. Danilo will never ever ride those rides. No.
Nein, der hat sogar, der ist ein bisschen unverschämt geworden.
We made it to the arena. Yes, parang totoo ah. Parang may ticket ah. So everybody's waiting for the ticket as well. Maybe. Taking a chance, taking a chance. We might just have tickets.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I don't want that kind of stress.
Something happened. Unbelievable. We have tickets. And they're good seats. Two people approached us and said that they are selling their tickets they can't watch today. So, nakakuha kami ng tickets sa semis dito sa Porsche Tennis Grand Prix. Di kami sure kung budol to. Let's check. Oh my God, sana hindi. I hope it's not budol. Nandun pa yung mga nagbenta. Yung mga nagbenta sa amin, nandun pa. So, kung sakasakali, madali silang habulin ni Danilo. And you will practice your black belts.
Yeah, karate.
Karate. Let's see. And our ticket is valid. Yay! Congratulations! Look how near we are. Oh my God, we're so fortunate. We got tickets, we got nice seats.
Did you enjoy this game, my baby girl?
Oh yes, yes. It's my first time to watch this kind of major match with the top 20, top 30. So exciting. I was about to cry. It's such a wonderful surprise. A Totoro experience.
Yeah. What is a Totoro experience?
The Totoro experience, like, we did not expect to have that perfect time. But the nice thing is going on. We did not plan to watch it. We were not so sure that we're gonna get the ticket. And then when we finally got the ticket, it's the perfect ticket! We made it! We were able to watch the semis right there! Yes! Wow! It opens up into a very, very big park and square. Nice! Look at that! Beautiful! Ang daming fountain! Monuments! We are about to go to the apartment of my sis. I see her! Sis! Yay! There she is! Yay! We follow you!
Thank you.
This is my sis, Lani Sumalinog!
Hi sa mga kablog!
Dear subscribers!
Dear subscribers na ka. Halika, let's go to my place!
Yay!
Ang lamig na
Yung ang lamig kasi yung kamay ko. Ang lamig.
By the way,
by the
Studio Art is not that big, di ba?
Ha? Hindi pa ba ito big?
Itong street ko na to, is para siyang...
Street mo to, sis? Talaga namang after all these years ay nagmay-ari na siya ng street.
yung hindi mo kailangan, hindi ka allowed baguhin ang mga facade.
Oo. So
Malapit na tayo.
Dito ka lagi dumadaan pag pauwi ka. Ang ganda, sis. Ang layo-layo nito sa Caloocan.
Ang layo. Pero nabangan kita sa kanto.
Oo. Inabangan niya kami sa kanto. Tulad ng pag-aabang sa amin ng aming mga magulang sa kanto.
Kita na lang tayo sa monumento. Tara, dito na tayo.
Oy, sis, ang ganda. Nasa mabuti ka na talagang kalagayan. Ang ganda, sis.
You live in the center of the city.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I like about this place, because after working, you still get a little bit of like the vibe, you know?
Paano yung a little vibe?
Little vibe. In the summer, this is like when the weather is nice, it's full, it's like it's so lively.
Yeah. You look very good.
Yes.
It's so puffy faced and
No, you look rested.
the only thing is I don't have an elevator.
It's okay. It's a good exercise.
What is one from?
Cut to, sa rooftop ko pala dahil.
You come in, don't worry about your shoes, you just remove it here.
Hello. Oh, beautiful and cozy.
This is my little
Bismillah.
place. Bismillah.
Oh, cute, sis. It's so cute. Sis, it's cute.
It's alright, no?
Yes. Look at your place. Ikaw talaga yung nasa sentro, sis.
Almost as big as ours.
Hello. We're here at Sis's place. Lani
is for you.
Sumalinog. Oh, thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. And our pasalubong for you, you can get it. Dun 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 dun.
Oh my God! This is so heavy. That's why Danilo was talking like that. Thank you so much. It's from our favorite place.
Yes, you remember?
Where we had lunch.
So, magluluto ka na ng magluluto, sis. Ayan! Sabi ko sa inyo, siya talaga yung original na Miss Saigon. O, ayan, no. Sis, anong year to?
1994.
Ayun, be. 1994. Now we're about to watch an opera, an honest-to-goodness opera by Wagner, Parsifal. 6 hours.
Actually, it's fine. Anyway.
Oh, fine. It's the passion of my husband.
Okay, my baby, what can you see about this first act of Parsifal?
I think I just woke up now. No, I like, of course, the music. I like it so much. It's really, really beautiful. The voices are really beautiful. But with the direction and if I understand what's happening, I will answer it tomorrow. Because right now, I cannot. Because I don't know the story. So, give me time. Guten Morgen. Good morning. It's our third day here in Stuttgart. Today, let's go to a thrilling experience. Magpakabata tayo today. Welcome to the Museum der Illusionen.
Not for children.
Of course. It's for children and grown-ups. Let's see the Museum of Illusion. Said something. Don't grow up. It's a trap. Ito lang masasabi ko. Grow big. That was fun. You excited? What is this that we're watching?
Horizon 4. It's marathon.
And judging from what I see now on stage, look. I think I will enjoy this better than yesterday's opera. Parsifal. I'm sure it was beautiful, but the direction is really so challenging to watch. And now I really hope to enjoy. And it's not long. Only 3 hours. I can do it.
Less than 3 hours.
Huh?
Less than 3 hours.
Yes! Yay! My dear subscribers! I'm so excited. We're here in Stuttgart, Germany. My dearest friend for 3 decades is here and I'm so proud of her. She's a musical performer. She's from University of the Philippines, Diliman, Department of Theater Arts. She started in Miss Saigon here in Germany. She's been in a lot of musical plays. She's part of Frozen. It's a fantastic show. I really enjoyed it, as in super tili. One of the most spectacular shows I have seen. She is Lani Sumalinog. Ayan.
The Ice Königin!
Yes.
In Stage Apollo Theater.
Yes. Oh.
Let it go! Let it go! Sis, oh, dito ako. Ito ang aking bahay. Workplace. Ayan! Orange!
Lani Sumalinog. Si Lani, siya talaga sa batch namin ang mahilig kumanta. So ako, nakikiblending ako sa kanya. Pero siya talaga yung pag may parties or events, siya talaga yung, Lani, kanta ka naman, kanta ka! So in 1994, on that day that you went to the auditions of Miss Saigon, English ang kinanta mo, syempre.
Yes, English. So, ang kinanta ko on my own. Nung nakapasa na sa vocal audition, sa singing audition, pinamove-movement kami. Yung choreography naman. After that, gusto nilang tignan kung sino ba yung makaka-adapt sa language. So, ang ginawa, pina-recite kami ng kanta from the musical Cats na meron ng translation from English to German. Pinabasa lang kami ganyan, tapos nakatutok ng English.
Ah, my gosh. Tinitingnan niya kung based on makikinig lang kayo, masusundan nyo.
Oo. Bist du schlau wie ein Fuchs?
Ano ba
Ganon.
ganun?
Are you smart as a fox? Bist du schlau wie ein Fuchs?
Cats ba to?
Oo.
Oh, ito na lang. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Cats naman yun, diba? Nung nalaman namin na pumasa ka, tuwang-tuwa kami kasi during that time, si Darlie De Leon, Candy Pangilinan, yours truly, kami ay mga struggling actors. When we learned that pumasa ka na finally, Germany! My God!
Sabi ko, natanggap ako. Ah! Grabe yung sigawan nyo na.
Yeah!
Buong grupo. Sobrang saya-saya nyo sa akin.
Yeah. We were all aware of our dreams. Hindi tayo nahihiya i-share sa isa't isa.
Tsaka suportahan.
Super.
Parang, ay, ma-achieve mo yan.
Yes. Fast forward na tayo, natanggap ka sa Miss Saigon, Germany. It means she had to stay in Germany. That was 1994. Hindi ka ba na-intimidate? May language barrier dyan.
Ang mabuti naman sa German company, pinag-aral kami ng basic German. Pero syempre, sis, basic lang yun. Parang hilang-hilo pa kami sa pag-pronounce na, bibulil-bulil pa kami sa pag-pronounce. Nung pagdating na dito, continuous pa rin yung German classes namin, habang nag-rehearse kami, alagang-alaga kami. Tsaka hindi naging mahirap para sa akin kasi 21 kami Filipinos na dinala dito. So, grupo kami, pag may gamayan, pag may, alam mo yun, tapos pag naho-homesick kami, Diyos ko, magsasama-sama kami. Halika magluto tayo ng sinigang. Halika mag-adobo. Masaya, hindi ako masyadong nahirapan. After 2 years ko dito sa Miss Saigon, Stuttgart, natanggap naman ako sa Lumis.
Your contract is every year?
Every year,
I see, I see.
Eh ako no.
You played Gigi, diba?
Yes, I played Gigi.
Yung Gigi, yung they are not nice, they're nasty.
Yeah.
Paano yung German nun? Sige, so.
Sie sind nicht nett, wie laut sie sind. 8 shows a week. Nagagawin mo yun. It's not a walk in the park. It's not a walk in the park.
There's a lot of discipline involved in there. And of course,
You were instrument,
right.
voice.
You were 25 years old.
23.
23! Oh my God! Doon ako hangang-hanga kung paano mo talaga yung pinili. Saan ka kumuha ng strength?
Oh, syempre, hindi na yung dream to perform, to be an actress, to be a singer. Ang nag-pave naman ng way yan sa atin, sa Malis, sa Laguna, sa Alvarez, sa Lucena, Jolie Leones.
After 3 decades of being here, did you really like Germany?
They really take care of the artists here. Nagkaroon din ako ng meron akong mga pangarap na makapag-Broadway ako, makapag-West End. Talagang naniniwala ako, yung universe may other plan for me. Nung may time na it was the toughest time in my life sa Germany, na iniisip ko, siguro tapos na, okay na rin naman ako, babalik na ako ng Pilipinas. Dumating yung weekend. Tapos nagdire-diretso ulit.
When you visit the Philippines, I'm sure meron ka mga konting comparison.
Ang fast-paced ng life mo. Ang daming bagong exciting things
Talaga?
happening. Oo.
Sa Philippines?
Oo. Kasi dito, syempre, Kasi nga long run production. Gabi-gabi mong piniplay yung same role, di ba? Yung longevity, yung wag mawala yung joy.
In a week, you have 9 shows. Like, for example, now you're doing Frozen. You're doing the mother of Elsa, di ba?
I play Queen Iduna, the mother of Elsa,
and also part of the ensemble,
Yes,
di ba?
correct.
So you do it 8 times or 9 times a week. Dapat yung, yung energy mo, sustain. How do you do that?
Mahal ko ginagawa. Mahalin ang ginagawa. Pag meron ka mga moments na parang, hirap mo, nakakasawa, yung gano'n. Normal ka lang, tao ka lang. Isipin mo yung always look for the positive things.
Just remember, lahat ito, pinangarap mo. Ang katotohanan, when you achieve your dream, may pagod.
Kasama
Kasama yung pagod. Imagine, noong 1994, may pagkain ba tayo for the day? Meron ba tayong mapipambili ng damit? May pamasahe ba tayo? Hindi tayo mayaman eh.
Hindi, naku, diba?
Hindi. It's not simple. It's not easy. You wouldn't say na it was very smooth. There are failures. There are...
Self-doubt.
How did you survive that?
Iniisip ko kasi itong trabaho ko na ito, nabibigyan ko ng comfortable life ang family ko kahit pa paano. Nagdadasal ako. Kailangan yung faith na, ay, mahalampasan ko nito. Yung mga ganitong obstacles, mahalampasan ko yan. Tapos, pagpapatuloy mo lang.
Bakit susuko? Susuko, di ba? What is your message to theater students na tinitingala ka?
Huwag maging tama.
Kasi pagan is key.
Kasi pagan is key.
Oo.
At saka wag halimbawa, hindi nakuha yung isang bagay.
Susuko.
Susuko na. Diretso mo lang. Kasi baka it's just leading you to another path.
I love it.
Diba? And that enjoy mo siya, nagbibigay siya sa ligaya sa iyo. I think super sign yun na dire-diretso mo. Diba?
Are you in the ligaya now? Dahil dire-diretso mo?
Happy ako. I'm in a good place. Sa ating mga pinagdaanan, parang alam mo, kakayanin ko. Kasi din, pinagtibay ka na ng panahon.
And with that, sis, I want to express my appreciation as a Filipina, as a performer, as a woman, all in all. Ang galing mo. Imagine, at a very young age, nilaban mo, di ba? After all, you're a woman, you're talented, and you're happy. Thank you. Dati siya Stuttgart. Hindi ako dati mag-girl.
Bagay. Tanggap ka sa akin.
Tonight you have a show.
Ja, richtig. Wir haben eine Abendvorstellung.
How many times do you do shows?
Wir spielen 8-mal in der Woche.
Can you please thank the audience of Frozen and invite everybody, if they're in Stuttgart, to watch you in Frozen?
Ich würde gerne euch alle einladen, unsere wunderbare Show, die Eiskönigin, hier im Apollo Theater in Stuttgart anzuschauen. Es ist eine wunderbare Show und wir spielen noch bis Februar 2026. Ich hoffe, wir sehen uns bald. Und wenn ihr noch nicht Subscriber von Miss Eugene Domingo, wir laden euch sehr gerne. Bitte tippen die Like-Button und ja, es ist YouTube-Channel von Miss Eugene Domingo, lustig und sehr, sehr schön und wunderbare Freundin von mir ist Miss Eugene Domingo.